On this shocking episode of Roaming with the Yazzies, follow me as I change the batteries in our 2022 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away.
All right, well, it finally happened. It's been procrastinating this for a little while. The batteries were having issues starting the vehicle. I've had to jump it a couple of times over the past couple of weeks, and then recently it just started getting even worse. And then yesterday it was kind of that sulfur egg smell in here, which alluding to that the battery is done. So not only do I get to go get a new battery this morning, I get to get two of them. Fantastic. So here we go.
I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Hi. Yeah, I need some batteries, please. Yeah. Oh, car. All right, new plan. We are going to go to Costco. Costco is about, almost $60 cheaper on one and about $50 cheaper on the other one. That's with the core charge, which, whatever. So I just gotta swap the batteries and then take the batteries back at some point. Which, I mean, we live at Costco anyways. We're at Costco quite often. So not too inconvenience, I guess, because they don't install them, which would have been helpful, but I'll make it do. And then you got this guy that cuts me off. Cool. And then just go slow, right? All right. Thank you, dude. I appreciate that.
It's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Well, we came here for batteries. And there's the batteries we came for. Woohoo! Good job, Costco. Alright, so I've never replaced these batteries before. And so you got all kinds of stuff just like hanging out on it. So I gotta figure out how to take this off. There's another battery over on that side over there. So yeah, this will be fun. All right, so here we are. So I disconnected the negative here off of there. I took this host out of the way as well that was holding the battery down. With that, this right here, just had to loosen up the 10 millimeter on that one and then pull straight up on this box here, and this box came off. It was sitting on there kind of hard, but don't be afraid to tug on it. Oh, sorry, once you disconnect this wire here on this guy here, then pull straight up, and now you can kind of get out of the way. So let's go do the driver's side real quick. Brought me a quick little bean burrito. Thank you. And his death wishes are